Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another exciting episode on the CPA Tube. Today we're going to look at Set 2, Paper 3 and Task 2, specifically the Microsoft Excel question. Now Paper 3 comprises of the OpenShot video editing question, the Excel question, and thirdly the Scratch question, right? Okay, so we're going to zoom in into page 39 at Set 2. Paper 3, Microsoft Excel. So now, essentially, you're going to open the file called food, all right, and we're going to save as the following. Okay, make sure you save early, all right, and this is the spreadsheet they're going to give you, which is food. And notice that from row number 7 to 102, there is a few hidden cells. All right, so let's have a quick scan over here, and there's a frequency over here, and our students, date and time prepared. Okay, so we have to expand this later on. So where are the files? Let's go on to the files. All right, so if you are in the details view, you're gonna look at your files this way. So what I normally like to do is to either quickly go to large icons, or you can also do this by going to pressing Ctrl and scroll. All right, so there you have it, food Excel spreadsheet. Okay, there we go, it's expanded, and we have about 100 students. Okay, it's got a huge list here. All right, so it's a full tutorial. Okay, so first and foremost question, let's go. Enter most favorite food in B106 and 107, most favorite food. Okay, B106, hit 106, oh, alternate tab. Okay, most favorite food code, most favorite moment. And most favorite food, 107. Right align and bold. So right align and bold and right align. Okay, did I save that? Nope. So I'm gonna save this. Okay, save as MYFD. Food. Okay, save as here. Okay, MYFD. Very important. Index and name, or name and index. Okay, name index. Right. So that's the N level format. Okay, so that's done. File name. Next, quickly. Let's see how fast. So I got my 3 points. Most frequently occurring food code. So most frequently occurring, we're gonna use cell C106. Okay, most frequently C106. Right. So I'm gonna use the mode function. MODE.SNGL is mode.SNGL. This is the only weird one with the dot. Okay, mode. Most frequently food code. So I'm just gonna go up and scroll up food code, and just gonna scroll down all the way to 100. Okay, keep it steady and press enter. So I have 4. Code 4 is the most frequent. Most favorite code. Alright, so I got my 1 mark over there. To show the most frequently food code in 707, enter a formula that uses a function to look up. So when you here see the word lookup, you're going to use the VLOOKUP. Alright, in the favorite food table. So be very specific where the food is coming from. Food here, so I'm going to use the VLOOKUP. So in case you forget to use VLOOKUP, just press function here, it's fx, so I'm going to use VLOOKUP. Okay, and I'm going to go and search for it, and there you have VLOOKUP. So what are we looking up? We want to look up this code, but where? I'm going to look up in this table, and where will the text come from? Since we've selected 1 and 2 here, so it's going to be column 2, right, where the name is going to come from, and this is going to be false. Alright, so okay, there you go. Nasi lemak is the favorite code 4. Okay. C117, so I got my 2 marks there. C117, current date and time. Current date and time, we're going to use here C117. I'm going to use the now function. Now with a bracket. It's number today. Okay, if I try today, it's going to just give me the date. Okay, so now function is the one that we're looking for, the date and time. Okay, So the time 1 mark. Go. In D11, find a formula, enter a formula to find the number of cells with food code 1. Okay, D111. D111 happens to be here, so I'm looking for how many students like chicken rice. So food code 1, this is gonna be row food code, right? So how many of them? So I'm gonna use COUNTIF. Alright, okay, in case you forget, just here and COUNTIF, because we're just gonna count if it's a code 1. So COUNTIF, it's gonna prompt you the range, so the range is gonna be this. Okay, so that's why the mouse comes in very handy. Alright, okay, here code criteria. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the number 1. So okay, there you go. Okay, so I cannot copy this down. Okay, this is gonna be a mistake because the range is gonna move. See, notice that the range has moved. So what I need to do for the next 4 columns is I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna press F4. I'm gonna repeat F4 button will lock your cells as absolute reference. Okay, F4 to make it absolute reference. I'm going to go double click here. Okay, I can pull it down, or I can just simply double click the black cross. Ooh, 23. Oh, there's a mistake. Okay, so this is gonna be 2, right? So 17. Oops. I'm gonna press F2. F2 is to edit, right? So I'm gonna do, this is number 3. I'm gonna do for number 4, and I'm gonna edit this for number 5. So to enter a cell and edit, press the button F2, right, to go in and edit, and to lock the cell, the range now was F4. Yeah. Okay, so we have all the distribution here. So right, it's gonna be a counting. Okay, next one. Okay, sort the favorite food by descending order number of students. Descending order number of students. Okay, descending order number of students. Favorite food table. Let's take a look. Favorite food table. Be careful. So where's the favorite food table? Is this one? Or is it this one? Survey data. So favorite food table. So we're gonna sort this out. Now when sorting, do select the tables, and I'm just gonna go into data sort. Here, data sort, sorting data by the number of students in the descending order, meaning biggest to smallest. Okay, there you have it. 27, 23, 18, descending. Okay, once again, this one, sort everybody and this respective column labels. Okay, done. Next, speed up. Median frequency, yeah, median. Now, what's median? Median is the middle number. Okay, F105. F105 should be here. Alright, of the double check. It's going to be number frequency per week. So this is the frequency column. Right. Okay, so I'm going to use median. So if you don't know, just type median. Median. Okay, go. Median. Okay, which numbers? So this numbers. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, so select properly. Okay, all the way down. Okay, done. Okay, 2 there. So the median of this range is 2. That's it. Okay, we just clocked another 1 more point. Now in cell G4. Okay, G4. Let's go up to G4. One interview. All right. If okay, to display interview. If the frequency is at least 5, and if otherwise. Alright, so this is the if question, the compulsory if question is going to come out each time. So if. So let's learn it properly. Just go to if. Okay, search for, oh, there's if here already. So if, okay. Logical test. If the frequency over here is greater or equals to 5. Right, let's check the question again. At least 5, right? So greater or equals to 5. I'm going to put interview. So let's send this person for an interview, yeah? Okay, if else, just put it in NA, right? So it's NA if otherwise. So it's NA is otherwise. NA, done. Okay. So we have it over here. And since this is comparing one cell at each time, so this is called a relative reference. So you do not need to do the F4. So let's check out. Interview 6, right? So I'm just gonna look at that black cross. I'm just gonna double click. Yeah, that's it. This is the most efficient way to drag down, right? the same relative formula. Okay, jump back. Format this cell to automatically show green light background text display interview if interview is displayed, and purple text if otherwise. So light green background. Okay, light green background. So I'm just going to select everybody here. I'm just going to press on Shift and click. Okay, so first cell, I'm just going to go to the press it. Okay, once I reach, I press Shift. I'm going to click now. Right there. Okay, so I'm going to go to Data, Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, cells that contain equals to interview. I'm going to format them to a text fonts, green fonts. Yes, I like that green. Okay, let's see. Yeah, interviews are in green. And purple text if otherwise. Oops. So otherwise, yeah, so we need to add the purple. So it's the NA. So just press Shift again. Okay, can do it the other way around. Visual formatting, another rule that is equals to NA. And I'm just going to score another point here. Go. Okay. Okay, that's how you game it. Yep. Let's go Mango's team. Hey, copy this formula for all cells. Oh, actually, in fact, I had to do for G4 first, and then I copy and paste. Right. So you can do it that way or the way I did it. Right. So I've got 4 points. It's 4 big points. Okay, just 2 more points to go each. Okay. Now set a filter. Okay, set a filter. To show that students selected for one-on-one interview in the survey data table, select one interview to display only interviews. So you're just going to go to set a filter for one-on-one interviews. Okay, so how do you do this? Very simple. This is the data question. So go to data. Okay, data. I'm going to set up my filter. Where is my filter? Home. Data. Yes, that is data. It's a data sorting. So filter. Oops. Not good, not good. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Let's try it. Okay, it's off the filter again. Filter. Oh. Filter for display only interview. Okay. So in case, what happens if I select everybody? So from the start, I'm gonna press Shift to the end here. Okay, filter. Yep. I need to select the entire range first. So what I did was I click on A3. Let go and go click again. Press Shift and click G103. Shift. Okay, so everything is selected and click filter, and I'm gonna sort on those who are being interviewed. Whoa. So there they are. Interview people. Filtered. Yeah, data filter. Okay. Okay, set print on area to include A2 to G103. Okay, A2 to G103. Okay, so A2 to G103. So A2, shift to G103. Yep. This way, file, print. Oh, no. Sorry. Page layout. Page layout, print area, set the print area. There, since page layout, set print area. Here. Okay, again, print area, set print area. Okay, so this is the area that we're going to print. And fit the data to a single page with page orientation landscape. Alright, so again, shift, click this corner, print area, set print area, orientation landscape. Alright, fit scale to fit width automatically, optimize scale 100%. Okay, so no, yeah, we've scaled it to 100%, height of one page and width to one page only. Alright, gotta do these settings, yeah. Okay, so we've got our 2 marks. Okay, so at 41 marks, 14 minutes now. Chart, right? So the chart essentially it's from the set up the summary food, favorite food chart, name of food and student, number of students. Okay, food, right? So it's here. There's no food code, so it's here to here. Remember the labels needs to be selected, not just the numbers. Insert chart, first pie chart. Okay. Notice there's a lot of all these options. Let's not be tempted. Let's just go to quick layout. I'm just gonna go pop this up. Number 6 is my favorite. Okay, there's some data tables here. I'll just go with this for a moment. Okay. Okay, quick layout number 6. Right, in design. Okay, well, how to get there? One more time. Select the range. Insert the pie chart. Go to quick layout and go to number 6. Select. Once done. Okay, I'm almost getting my 6 marks. I need my chicken rice to be out and the data to be on the outside. So I'm going to go to data labels. Alright, and more options. Okay, I need my category name and I need them to be outside. Outside. And yes, there it is. Okay, double check. Oh, okay, this is food. I'm getting 6 marks just for that. Alright. Okay. Oh, favorite food. Okay, I could have missed. Favorite food. Okay, there you go. All done. And that is 28 marks. Right, everybody? Okay, so thanks for watching. Alright. Just repeat this any parts of the video that you need to revise and watch out for our other videos on the other tutorials. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe and like and click on that like button. Alright, so see you soon. Have a good day.